He has directed President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint the 6 judges he left out in the swearing-in after they were approved by the Judicial Service Commission for nomination to top courts. According to the ruling, the commission, alongside the Chief Justice, will nominate the 6 should the head of state fail to do so within a 14-day time frame.
With a view to upholding the dignity.
The High Court has given President Uhuru Kenyatta a 2-week ultimatum to appoint the remaining 6 out of 40 judges whom he failed to nominate to top courts in June. While rejecting the list in 2019, the president cited integrity issues that made the nominees not meet the required threshold. Sidelined judges include Aggrey Mochachule, George Odunga, Weldon Korir, and Joel Ngoge, who are to serve in the appellate court, alongside High Court Registrar Judith Omange and Chief Magistrate Evans Makori. Kenyatta at the time referred the nominations back to the Judicial Service Commission for review. Thursday, High Court Justices William Musyoka, James Wakiage and George Dulu announced that Chief Justice Martha Koome, in conjunction with the Judicial Service Commission, shall be at liberty to swear in the omitted 6 should the president fail to in the next 14 days. Sentiments echoed by the Kenya Judges and Magistrates Association.
Without the first respondent having made the appointments, it shall be presumed that his power to make them has expired and his office becomes functus so far as the appointments are concerned, and the 6 nominees shall be deemed duly appointed effective from the date of default as judges of the superior courts for which they were recommended.
Justice has been done, so we are satisfied and happy with the judgment of the 3 judges.
Harrison Okeche, one of the 41 candidates nominated as a judge of the Employment and Labor Relations Court, passed on in October last year. Various lobby groups have since continued to petition the president's decision. Well, on to a little bit of politics. Deputy President